Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about GK and GS one-liner questions for various competitive examinations. As you can see, this is part 17. So please check my playlist up to part 16 if you want more. So let us see what we have initially. The civil servants are not permissible to become the members of the parliament. We knew that the actual eligibility of the parliament members, you must not be holding any kind of office of the government, so he should not be holding. So civil servants cannot be permissible to become the parliamentary members. The joint sitting of the parliament is presided by, that is presided by whom? That is presided by Lok Sabha Speaker. We know that when there is a Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha members will be sitting together, that is joint sitting of the parliament, that is headed by the Lok Sabha Speaker. The fastest growing plant, as you can see to the right side, how exactly eucalyptus looks like. This is the one which is the fastest growing plant among all the plants. The tooth with 3 roots, as you can see, we have the molar, premolar, so incisors, canines, these are different types of tooth. But in the case of molar, it has got 3 roots in it. Palak leaves are rich in what? Palak leaves have got the maximum content of iron in it. This is one thing very important. Now we have the ready source of energy available for athletes is carbohydrates. Please remember, whatever the instant energy for the athletes will be given with the help of carbohydrates. Now we have the energy of the sun is produced by, that is nuclear fusion. Please remember, whatever the energy that is produced in the sun, that is nuclear fusion. The same energy we will find in the hydrogen bomb also. That is, as you can see, the atom bomb we have the nuclear fission. Nuclear fusion is hydrogen bomb as well as the sun. Pearls are formed inside oysters. As you can see how exactly the oysters looks like. In that you have to take out all the pearls. So these pearls are formed inside the oysters. In the fireworks used during the festivities, the green flame is produced because of barium. We knew that whatever the fireworks we have during the festivities, the green flame is produced because of barium. So remember that barium is the main reason why we get the green color in the crackers. Now we have request check playlist where you will find the near about 800 plus question papers for various examinations. As you can see how exactly it has been segregated for various competitive examination purpose. Have a look, you will really enjoy this YouTube channel. The type of iron is obtained from the blast furnaces, that is cast iron. Please remember what exactly the type of iron is obtained from the blast furnace, that is cast iron. Now we have the Mahatma Gandhi was strongly in favor of which industry, that is cottage industry. So he encouraged in the weaving of the wheel, that is cottage industry, he had encouraged a lot to make their own cloth. As you can see how exactly the blast furnace looks like and how the cast iron is used in it. The set of insects that are useful to man are, we should remember that lac insect, silk moth, moth and honeybee, these are very useful for the human in many ways. The vaccine for the tuberculosis, that is BCG vaccine, that is Bacilli calmette guerin, that is the abbreviation of BCG vaccine. The cryogenic deal entered into the erstwhile USSR deals with the promotion of Indian satellite as well as rocket programming. So these cryogenic deal, the cryogenic engines whatever they are used in rocket propellants. So this cryogenic deal is had a relationship with the Russia and India for the Indian satellite and rocket program purpose. The Indus Valley people had trade relations mainly with which, that is for the great relationship with the trade of Turkestan. So that is, as you can see, Turks have come from the northwestern side. Now the 24th Tirthankaras, that is the last Tirthankara, we have the total of 24 Tirthankaras. Among them, the last, that is 24 Tirthankaras was Mahavira, Vardhaman Mahavira. The accounts of Megasthenes. We knew that Megasthenes wrote the book that is Indica, give a fair account of kingdom of the Pandyas. Please remember regarding the Pandyas, it has been given the information. The city of Agra, which is founded by, as you can see to the right, how exactly the Agra city looks like, where the Taj Mahal is located. The city of this Agra is founded by the Sikandar Lodi. Please remember, Sikandar Lodi is the main reason to form the Agra city. The local self-government was introduced by Lord Ripon. So please remember who had formulated English education? Lord William Bentinck. So here the local self-government was introduced by whom? That is Lord Ripon. Ghadar party was founded by Hardayal at San Francisco. So in San Francisco, Ghadar party has been founded by Hardayal. The principle of separate electorates in Indian politics was introduced by the Act of Indian Council, that is 1909. As per that, the principle of separate electorates have been formulated in Indian politics. Now we have the first national leader to attack the salt tax in the Indian legislature. It was Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Please remember that Gopal Krishna Gokhale, the first national leader to attack the salt tax in the Indian legislature. A large percentage of Indian farmers depend on their livestock for drought power and manure. This is one thing you have to remember. A large percentage of Indian farmers depend on their livestock for the drought power as well as manure. The youngest Himalayan range is, the Great Himalayan is the youngest one. The oldest is Aravalli range. The widest gap across the Western Ghat, that is Pal Ghat, is the widest gap across the Western Ghat. You can see how exactly that gap looks like. This is as a Pal Ghat. Now we have the second largest river basin in India is of the Godavari. The first one we have Ganga Delta. Now we have the second largest river basin is Godavari, which is in South India. The meaning of midnight sun, that is, as you can see how exactly to the right side, the sun shining in the polar circle is a midnight sun. The land of midnight sun is, which has been called as land of midnight sun, that is Norway. The largest southernmost single island in India, we should remember the southernmost tip of India is Indira Point, which is located in Great Nicobar Island, that is southernmost tip of India. That is also the single island, that is Great Nicobar Island. The economic planning refers to the allocation of resources. This is one thing you have to remember. What exactly the economic planning is? The allocation of resources. Now we have the heart is covered by the membrane, that is pericardium. As you can see exactly how it looks like. It's double layered sac covering the heart. Outer protects plus anchors the heart. Inner epicardium, that is thin membrane attached to wall. So this is one thing. Inner side we have the epicardium, outer side we have the, that is whole thing is pericardium. Now the rayon, the hard water contains the calcium as well as magnesium. Please remember that whatever the hard water, it has got what? That is calcium as well as magnesium, both that is there in hard water. Rayon is chemically known as cellulose. The life of photo prints is longer in case of black and white prints. So that is successful in the black and white prints. The life of the photo prints obviously will be longer period. So as you can see, this is my mobile number. You can directly call me or message me if you are interested to have 2100 PDF of GK and GS for various competitive examinations. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life, guys.